I also don't really use this one because I have this sidebar. I basically put the most important parts here. So rather than me doing this, let's say me going here and here just to click on sociology, let's just open the sidebar and click sociology. Done. Okay, that's why my academic page is quite outdated. I also want to show you guys the highlight for today, which is the cauldron. As you can see from the name, cauldron is like something, like something mysterious being mixed to make a concoction, something like that. I really like this quote a lot. If you think you can, then you can. I know it sounds cheesy to some of you, but I really do think that if you think you can, then you can, because no one can stop you. If you want to be that way, if you want to do that, just go for it. Don't think too much about other people if that's what you want. Okay, enough of that. Yes, this took me quite some time to do. I do change this a lot before until I found the right one that suits me the most. So we have the class. This is my continuous assignment. So we are on week 8 now. If you have a lot of continuous assessment, especially if you are an IB student, if you're a university student, you will find this is very helpful because you can see all of your assignments all at once. I just wish I knew Notion before so that I can do better in my degree, because I really like planning and sort of looking everything at a glimpse rather than me trying to find my way, like, oh, what assignments do I have to finish today, something like that. But it's okay. Better late than never, I guess. I put my name of the assignment here. The weightage, very important, so you get to see which one should you spend most of your time at. The comments you can put here if it's necessary. The deadline. Let's just look at this one simple assignment. So I have this one presentation, which is today, 17th December. So I can see this like, oh, I have deadline today, which is my presentation, the report for sociology. So it's due by week 11. It's not the same date as the presentation. So you can put it here, everything, okay? The deadline date. So if you click the date, it's very nice because you can just click any date you want. You don't have to type it. If your lecturer is kind enough to give you an extension that, let's say, usually it's like 7 days extension, blah, blah. You can simply click, oh, it's gonna be 24. Then it's gonna go down here. And I'll explain to you guys right away why this works this way. So I have actually sorted. The earliest deadline will be on top. So this is really cool, don't you think so? It's just like works automatically. If you even change the date, as you can see just now, it just go down there rather than you doing it manually, which is very time saving. Another cool feature in Notion is filter. You don't want the assignment that you have done stays here. You want it to be just disappear, like just get out from my life, something like that. So you put a filter here where submitted is blank. So if it's blank, it will appear here, but if you click it, it just disappears. Let's just make a simple demonstration like this. See, it's no longer here. You don't even have to think about it, and you can have a happy life. So this is like my assignment, but in order for you to do the whole big assignments, what you have to do, yes, you have to break it into smaller pieces. You don't want to get overwhelmed, like, oh my god, I have a big assignment at week 11. I'm not prepared for it. I don't know which one to do first because it is just too much. But no, you just have to break it down. Don't be like me. I have done it before. I get stressed out. To combat the feeling of overwhelmness, you can use the academic master plan, where everything you need to do as small as possible to be included here. As far as I know, it's better for you to break it into very small pieces, so that it's easier for you to do. And I would say I get overwhelmed a lot if I have too much to do, but no longer after I discovered Notion. For the state, you can see there's red, green, blue. So what does this mean? Actually, I get this formula thanks to Thomas Frank. The red one shows that the due is past. The green one shows the task that you have to do today.
What?
Because today is 17 December. So it's green. That means you have to do it today. And the blue one, the task that you have to do in the future. It can be tomorrow, it can be the day after tomorrow, or any day, but not today, but not in the past. This is very cool because I'm able to see, oh, I need to do this much for today. It looks a lot, but trust me, it's not that much because I have broken it to very small pieces so that I can do it without even feeling overwhelmed about it. Okay, this checkbox works just like the checkbox that I have shown you above. So if you click it, it just disappears. I don't want to look at it anymore. The due is your soft deadline. I'm gonna take this one. Discuss about teaching simulation with my friend. These apparently due on week 11 because I have teaching simulation on week 11. Another cool thing is recur interval days because Notion hasn't developed this feature where I think it is available in Todoist and in Google Task as well. It uses formula. Let's say you just put this one 17 December. Let's say recur in 2 days. So 19 December. So you don't even have to think about it. Like, oh, I need to do this one in 2 days. So in 2 days is 19 December. You can easily look at the date here. Okay. If you click the board, this is very cool. Okay, because you can actually play around with this part and also this part. Okay, it's not just fixed like this. You can change it accordingly. Okay, but the way I use it is like this. So you can just put whatever you want to do. Of course, we want to focus on things that we want to do today. We don't want to overload your brain with other stuffs, you know. Basically, that's it. So what do you think about Notion? Do tell me down below. And if you want to learn more about how to use Notion, I can make a video about it, maybe a specific one or general one, anything. Yes, so that's all for now. I hope you like what I showed you. Do comment down below if you think this is interesting or not, or yeah, anything constructive. So I'll see you soon. Take care everyone. Bye bye.